Scrum is a successful and mainly used agile framework. It helps to manage efficiently any complex project, including logistics management, software development or an event. In the first step, the product owner makes a ranked list of all requirements which is called product backlog. In the next step, product owner in cooperation with the Scrum Masters start with sprint planning by making a sprint backlog that contains a certain number of tasks from product backlog that can be done in 1 to 4 weeks. Team members have to complete the given tasks with the help of the Scrum Master in a given time-limited cycle which is called sprint. The work progress is reviewed daily during the daily Scrum meeting. At the end of each Scrum sprint, the Scrum review meeting takes place. If all tasks in a sprint are completed, an increment is made. In sprint retrospective, topics as what worked well or what could be improved, take place. Once the Scrum sprint is completed, a new Scrum with the next tasks from product backlog is planned.